Alright, Wario7793 again. Found this remote control helicopter for $5. For 5 and below. Oh boy. I'm gonna pop the batteries in it and start her up, and let's see if this thing, see how dangerous this gets. Okay, well, yeah, I just woke this thing up and it's really ready to go here, so yeah, you gotta be careful with it. This thing's really dangerous. What's that do? Okay. Whoa! Well, that don't help. Little pieces keep popping off. Give me a sec here. Make sure it wakes up here. Whoa! I don't know what. One of them makes it start up here. I'm not sure what the other control does. I haven't figured that one out yet. Yeah, this looks like it's a little too dangerous to have inside. Let's see if the other one does anything. Well, it just wants to. Whoa, 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 whoa! Calm down. Whoa! Gotta stand you up. Ah, wow! This thing is. I kind of wondered about this. It's got probably way more power than it should. Yeah, but I'm not sure what the other control does. And it looks like it's gonna break itself if it keeps bouncing off stuff. Whoa, 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 whoa! Ah, it's alive! Okay.